Birds use my bird feeders in the winter, and my bird feeders are visited by mourning doves, blue jays, cardinals, chickadees, starlings, and grackles, and other birds that I haven't identified yet. Many squirrels also visit the ground around my bird feeders. And we feed the birds year-round, but in the winter it is most important to feed the birds to protect them from the intense cold. Birds have a hard time finding food when the ground is covered with snow, and they need the birdseed to keep them warm. And we feed only birdseed that's sold as birdseed and suet found in the store where the birdseed and suet and bird feeders are found. This birdseed contains sunflower seed, cracked corn, millet, and other seeds. The best kinds of bird feeders are those that don't allow squirrels on them and are easy to fill in the cold, wind, and snow of winter. The lids on my bird feeders just lift off. They're not fastened down, so they're easy to open in the wind, and yet they don't blow off when you put them back down. There will be plenty of food on the ground for the squirrels. My bird feeders are on poles that have a specially built baffle that keeps the squirrels from climbing up the pole. I also place the feeders over 10 feet from trees and brush so that squirrels cannot jump onto them. And I supply water to the birds all winter long. To give them water in the winter, I have a hard rubber plant tray that is not harmed by freezing water. And I use a 1-gallon juice container to fill that with hot tap water from the tap and pour it over the ice in the bird bath. Birds appreciate warm water in the winter to drink, so they don't have to eat snow to supply their water needs. And other wild animals also drink out of my bird bath.